Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and as you can see, we rejected off the 21 and the 55 EMA, and we're going into a little bit of retracement. The selling volume is high on a daily time frame, but we are starting to slow down, but we have the whole day ahead of us still. If we do lose this level right here that we have of support at, let me mark this out, 39,200. I would be very cautious about the lower level of the consolidation, which is 37,000. Worst case scenario, this formation, this little head and shoulders does play out to the downside. And if that does occur, a measured move or something like that is going to take us deep into 29, almost low $28,000. So obviously, we do not want this level to break. We want to hold support here and then continue upward. But going under this $37,000 area, we have a whole $10,000 drop to 27,000. So keep that in mind, guys. These are big numbers we're playing with right now. So Bitcoin does need to prove itself and hold this $38,500 level. And then if it does lose it, then these lower targets are a high possibility. Going to the 4-hour, we can see that Bitcoin is actually pushing off all the EMAs once again. It got rejected off the 200 when it was trying to make a upward movement to it and pushed off, and now the 21 is getting pushed off the 55 EMA, which shows signs of weakness. We do have everything slowing down, and it's weekend time, so the volume is low. So a lot of things can happen to shake people out with low volume. But the main thing is that we need to keep this level here and to continue upward from here. Aside from that, I will go to Ethereum, and then we can see what Ethereum is doing. All right, Ethereum on a daily time frame is a little bit healthier than Bitcoin because the EMA has not lost the 55 yet, but we are rejecting off the 200. We're consolidating under the 200, and we're pushing off again. The volume is slowing down, but it's still not completely out. So on a daily, we are looking at a little bit of a retracement occurring. But this buy up right here off the 382 is very good. These wicks is showing that someone is trying to keep the price above this level. If we can continue closing today above 2,950, I would assume that next week when we open, we can start seeing some upwards movement. But if we do lose this 2,920 level, the next level of support is all the way at 2,400. So that's like a $400 move, almost $500 move we're looking at to the downside if we do lose this support. So keep that in mind. If we lose 2,927 and we close the day under here, then the next day we can start seeing some pressure to the downside. Going to the 4-hour, we can see Ethereum has lost all the EMAs, but it is going sideways here and trying to find some support. If the buy volume can kick in today and after 15 minutes, and we start seeing the upside movement, that would be very healthy for Bitcoin. I mean, for Ethereum, and then we can see a retracement to the 200 worst case scenario at 3,082. If we can start closing above the 3,082 mark, we can start looking for upside movement all the way to 3,300. So the ball is in the Bulls' court. Bulls have to step up and buy, and if the buying starts and we can push the price up, awesome. Closing above the 21 EMA would be a good sign of strength to 33. But if we can't close above 2,950 in the next 15 minutes, I would be concerned about the downside targets becoming a reality. And then worst case scenario, losing 2,890, we have to be very cautious for the 2,400 area to come into play. Aside from that, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the bell button for notifications. We have a lot of material coming out this weekend, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please leave suggestions in the comment section below. If there's any questions or concerns, please leave it in the below section as well. And if you have any requests for assets that you guys want us to cover, leave it in the section below. And then aside from that, just have a great weekend. Enjoy your time and be safe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.